These roasted maple pecans are irresistible and ready in just 15 minutes. We'll start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees and then take out 2 cups of raw pecans. You know, they're good for you and they even have their own natural sweetness. Put them into a bowl and then add 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. This natural sweetener even has its own antioxidants. Then add a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, which is cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which will give our maple pecans sweetness without any additional sugar. And finally, we'll add a tablespoon of coconut oil, which will help all the other ingredients stick to the pecans. If yours isn't melted, you may want to put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Put that on, mix it all together very thoroughly, and then line a baking sheet with parchment paper, and you can evenly spread out your maple pecans on the baking sheet. By now, hopefully your oven is preheated. You can put them in. It should take about 10 minutes, but you're going to want to stir it halfway through at 5 minutes. Now at about 8 minutes, check it. Your home is going to have this warm, toasty smell. The maple pecans are going to be glossy looking, and it's just going to be so delicious. So tell me, would you make these vegan, gluten-free, refined, sugar-free roasted maple pecans? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks.